How are you? So today we are going to do note making, and it will ask in your exam for 5 to 10 marks, and it is very easy to make note making. And from childhood we are doing the same thing. नोट मेकिंग, जब भी हम कुछ अपनी किताबें या टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ते हैं तो व्हाट वी डू, वी मार्क with the pencil. If we are reading some chapters, so we are making some pencil headlines, okay, underline, we are doing some headlining, okay. So with the use of that we can make a note making, okay. So I'm going to read. The note making is an important study skill. It is an important skill study. It is an important study skills, okay. It help us to work properly. It will help us to work properly if we have done note making, or while reading the chapter we have marked with that. So for the exam time we don't need to read whole chapter, or if you are reading some article or anything else and you are underlining everything, okay. And if that is going to help you in further, so that will help you underline. You don't need to read whole chapter again and again. Only highlighted point will give you all the information, okay. You will go through, you can come to know everything, okay. So we have 2-3 main points that we should try to remember while making notes, okay. No large information should be there, okay, in note making. See, note making, while note making, 2-3 points are too much important that we have to write, okay. You have to see in note making, first is you have to read the passage. While reading the passage you have to underline each and everything, okay. While underlining everything you will come to know so many things, okay. Or main thing ke while reading everything, if you are reading the whole paragraph or the passage, that will you will come to know ke what is it title, what is it about, what is the passage is about, okay. Title and the topic must be of computer, health, education, crime, any article, anything, any topic will be there what you are reading, okay. So what we have to do, so you have first 2-3, while passage you have to write note making, title and subheading. In that also subheading, in that also subheading, means if you are writing something or if you are reading, you are marking something. In that, if you need, you are writing some more information. If you are doing reading on the for computer subject, so for that so many definitions, then parts of computers, from where it started, who has made it, so many things, the family, everything. So you have to make it under subtopics. One subtopics, subtopics are also to be there. Students, you have to be very careful while writing. You have to use abbreviations, okay. Every abbreviations you have to use. You don't have to make big sentence. You don't have to use much large sentences. No, you don't have to make long sentences. Only abbreviation will do, because it is only for your understanding. No need of proper grammar should be used. Abbreviation I have given 2-3 examples ke eating, so you can write this type of please, so you end this plan. Education, here to mostly we are using important, so everyone is writing IMP, definition to DEF. Okay, between, so many things that you have to keep in mind. Okay, and students, here I am going to tell you the main 2-3 points that you remember. Okay, step 1, read the paragraph properly. While doing this, you have to read the paragraph properly. Okay, you have to read the paragraph properly. If you will not read, you don't come to understand ke what is the paragraph is about, the passage is about. And while reading, you have to keep in mind, you have to underline the main points. Okay, step 2, make short notes, short points, not big points. That will cover what is the passage is about, where the thing has happened, why the thing has happened, which things has happened, time, and everything. That comes with the note making. That first I have given you na, the title, in that main heading, that subheading, everything. Okay, third point is there, note should be short, main points, only main points you have to write. It should be short and sweet, that is you can understand it properly. Written only in phases. Okay, not verb and anything should be used, no more grammar, is, was, where will be cut short. Information is logically divided and subdivided into letters and figures. That information that you are reading or you are collecting or you are writing, it should be in figure or in letter form. Okay, and students, after that what you have to do, you have to write a summary. You have to write the summary. See, I am giving you main tips. You have to write summary, means what you have read from that passage. So you have to first, that what you have collected, head topic. First you have to write title, topic. Okay, topic, then it will come headlines, sub headlines, and everything you have to write. Okay, 8 to 10 sentence or 8 to 10 line. It should be in a point wise. It should be in a point wise. See, first title, then topic, then headlines, then sub points or sub headlines, and it should be in a point wise. Okay, so that thing you have to be very much careful or keep in mind while writing the notes. Okay, and you have to keep in mind abbreviation, you can use short forms or abbreviations with in the summary also. And one more thing I am telling you, if you don't know these things, so what you have to do, while the first thing you read the passage or the paragraph or the information that is given. First two line should be the starting of the passage, and then you can write anything means from the passage, 2-3 highlighted points and everything, and then make 5, 6 or 8 to 10 points. Okay, that is the other side. If you don't know what to write in note making, so don't leave or don't left the question, attempt the questions. Okay, and the last but not least, points to remember while writing the things, note making. Read the paragraph properly, underline the important words and phrases, write down points without fully expanded verbs. Combined related points means if 2-3 big sentences are there and they are telling the meanings are same, So you combine that two sentence in short points. Okay, group related point also means same. Number the points. Number the point means 1 2 3 4. Change the verbs to noun and being point with them. Change the verbs to noun. Okay, so this is the important thing, points to remember note making. That will I hope this will help you to get full 5 marks. Okay students, I hope you will understand, you got it properly, and if you don't, please ask me. Okay, thank you.